Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick project share for you today. I'm working on my wand. This is my wand for our fall Halloween swap with Themcraftygirls. And I used a bunch of stuff to make this gigantic wand. The swap mainly has the Dollar Tree popcorn bucket, the clear acrylic bucket type deal, like this one right here. Okay, this is fall, and so the swap is closed. I don't know if I'm completely finished with this or satisfied with it, but this is what I've made so far. Uh-oh, a lot of glue, a lot of hot glue. Let's start with the rosette die that I used for my base. This is from Kscraft. She released 3 different rosette dies, and they look like this. So one is this one's the diamond one. I used the diamond one for my fall wand. This is the one I used for the Halloween, and it looks like that. That's the edge. And this one I cut to make 2 rosettes. So the black one here in the very back, this one here, I cut this out 3 times to make the large rosette. And then I cut the orange with the polka dot twice, and it made a smaller size rosette. Yeah, you could see most of it. Part of it. You can see here the layering pieces. Okay, and then I used a straw from Dollar Tree. I used 2, and they look like this. It comes from the party section. You get 20 of them. So I used this one, the orange rose. I cut the first one down the length of the straw and twisted the straw tight, and then I inserted it into the second straw to make my straw sturdy. And now you hear a shaker bit. When I made the large rosette, there was a big circle in the middle, and I thought, hey, why don't I try putting some seed beads right there. So I took some seed beads from my stash, I placed it in the middle, and then I covered the opening with a circle punch. And this is EK Success 2.5 inch punch. So I put the one on this side to close it up, and on the top side I just used the same circle punch. So I did the same, and then I added some foam in between the 2 rosettes just to give it some dimension. And you can see here I cut out one of the doors. This is from the ice cream parlor add-on set, the Halloween add-on, and this is what it looks like. And if you don't know, these are Kscraft dies. So I used this one, and I made my door. And when I took the die cut piece and I placed it on top of some black cardstock, glued the door to the cardstock, and then I fussy cut around the door so I can have that black edge, and also to cover up the window here. All right, so this little ghost is a glitter printed ghost. This is from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru on Instagram. It was on the top of this rosette here. You can see this black rosette with the beautiful sequin edge. That is from her. This was the very top of it. So I took it off because I didn't want to waste it, and then I used it on my little door. I also used some acrylic pieces that I picked up from her shop. This little pumpkin here, little ghosty in the background with her little bucket, and then another ghosty right here. These are all from her shop, the acrylic pieces. And then these here, the bat, the cat, these pumpkins down here are chipboard pieces that I picked up at Target. I put the bat on this tree. You see the spooky tree back here. I just took my scissors and cut out the tree. There is no die for that. As a matter of fact, you can see the raggedy edge right here, which I don't mind because it's a spooky tree, right? Gives it that extra details. And then I just added the bat there, added the acrylic ghost. Now this pumpkin, these two pumpkins, and the boo are from Dollar Tree stickers. And it looks like this. It's the same pack that I was using on the previous projects. So here's the boo, here's the pumpkins that I used. Added them onto our shaker wand. And the spider's just from Walmart, you know, the kids section where we have like bucket fillers for kids who don't, like, they can't have candy. So this was one of the items. It's a plastic spider. And then for my centerpiece, this is an embroidered little Halloween guy. I believe I picked this one up from Melissa, who is ML Sochi, I think 1970 something. I would try to put her link there. I don't know. I don't have a guarantee that that she still does this embroidery, machine embroidery. But I'll try to find the link and I'll link it to here. Link it to this video. It'll all the links that I provide will probably be in the description box below. The last thing I wanted to add on to this was some seam binding. I don't have black, so I'm going to use a combination of orange and pink and white. Yeah, and then this is the back. This is what it's gonna look like. And I'll clean that up. It's just a little hot glue that's sticking from the back. But yeah, on the back side, that's where I will put my label on the wand. So that is it, guys. And then this wand, I am attaching into our Halloween bucket. Let me get that bucket real quick. So for the swap, you're supposed to include a Memdex, 2 embellishments, a goodie, a wand, and yeah, decorate the bucket itself. So here's my Memdex. I showed this before when I made this. And then I included my 2 little box of goodies. I'm not gonna put candy in because I don't know. I don't want to add candy. So this is my replacement for the goodies. It'll be these Halloween jingle bells and these beads that kind of coordinate with the collection. I also have a video on how to make this little die into this giant box. Okay, I'm not going to show the mini book because, you know, we've already all seen it more than once. I also want to put a holder for the wand so that it can hold that wand in the middle, but I'll show you what it will look like. This is what it's going to look like in all set and done. There you go. I was trying not to show all my mess, but that's what it's going to look like. Hopefully this all works out and I can pack this up in a nice little safe, secure way. Right now, the mini album that's in there, the Spiderweb mini album from Kscraft, is loaded. I mean, look, it's super thick. And yeah, hopefully whoever wins this likes it. I don't have anything for my pockets, but I think it'll be okay, right? I think so. So that's where these goodies are going to go. That's when I get the little seam binding on to this one, it'll be all complete. And yeah, there you go. This is the fall bucket, which is not as full because I made the embellishment book for my fall. I used the Kscraft ice cream parlor, and it's too big. It doesn't fit in here. I believe it would have fit. Oh, maybe not. No, it's too wide. So this will just go with whoever or if I even give this one away. It'll go with this bucket, and I'll put some shred in here and some other things if I can figure it out. All right, this is a little insert. Forgot to share what I made with Themcraftygirls here on the live today, Sunday. This was just an extra embellishment piece. I surely didn't have to make one, but I wanted to add this little pumpkin die with the fall collection that I'm putting together. And what I did, I used Kscraft dies again. This is her pumpkin that comes with some thank yous and a jack-o'-lantern face, and yeah, and some pumpkin leaves. And you can make it into a shaker. The other die that I used is from this one. It is the coffee mug, the to-go mug, this little whip and frappe top lid I made out of vellum, and added some Dollar Tree stickers again. And let me see if I can find it. I used some from this one. Yeah, it's this one. Actually, it's just one. This little pumpkin sticker set right there. And I added to the front with some gold leaves, which came from the collection actually. This little leaf here is a sticker. It's part of the sticker, the paper pad that comes with it. This is another Kscraft die. It says Pumpkin Spice Season. I die cut that out. That came out a while ago. I don't know. I don't remember when, but it was just this year. It's this year's release. So this little door, this is a door here, that came from the recent ice cream parlor die set. I just used the door, and then I layered it onto some foam, and then I fussy cut around it. And these are 2 stickers that are from the paper pad collection again. And this right here is some florals that was on one of the cut aparts like this, and I just fussy cut the floral part out. I added a little gold doily for the background, and the back looks a little messy, but we're gonna put it onto something and call this done. All right, so now that is it, guys. Thank you again for watching. Bye. But that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live here on my YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.